Hey, Mike Foster's here. How you guys doing? It's another Mike Eats the Street. Now this is a place, I've never heard of it. It's Arctic Circle, and they claim they give Angus beef cheeseburgers. They also have halibut, fish and chips. I mean, what's not to like? Well, let's go eat the street. I got my wife here. There's Arctic Circle.
Thank you for choosing Arctic Circle. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready.
Yep, we're ready. So,
Go ahead.
you got like a fish and chip, two-piece fish and chip with halibut?
Without the drink?
And a drink too, please.
What drink would you like?
A root beer? You got root beer?
Perfect. Anything else?
Yeah, I want to. Do you got like a double cheeseburger?
We do. We have it in a combo meal, or do you want to just do the sandwich?
I just want it on the sandwich, but can I get some fries with it?
Okay, and small, medium, or large for those french fries.
Medium.
Anything else?
What comes on the burger?
So the burger's going to come with white sauce, ketchup, pickles, and lettuce.
That sounds great. Awesome. Thank you.
Anything else?
Nope, that's good. Thanks.
Okay, so I have the two-piece halibut and fry with a root beer, then the double cheeseburger and a medium french fry. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Any touch for fry sauce for you?
What's in your fry sauce?
So it's going to be our white sauce and ketchup combined.
Do it. Just give me some of that. Well, I'll try it. I'll try it.
Okay.
All right. I'll see you up front.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's see what we got here. Mike Eats the Street.
Fry sauce.
Let me. What's fry sauce? What the heck's the original fry sauce? What's in this? These are the fries. Check these out. What do you think's in this fry sauce? Let's do the fry sauce together. Oh, I think it's a combination of like mayonnaise and ketchup. Give me one of these fries. We'll try it. We can try it together. There's a burnt fry. The fries are really good. Let's try this. Okay. Look at Mike Eats the Street. Look at Mike's face. It's not bad, right? Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here for my wife. Now I'm gonna do the burger. Oh my goodness. Here's the first thing I see is the cheese is melted. So I am very optimistic that this won't be a complete disaster because a lot of places the cheese doesn't get melted. Oh my goodness, look at that. Mike Eats the Street. Mike takes a bite. Oh, I thought I ordered a double. That is a double. Ready? To me, that melted cheese is the key to a good burgerator. That's good. Better than McDonald's. Better than Burger King. Better than Arby's. Guess what? My top four, I was telling my wife the other day, number one was In-N-Out. Number two was Five Guys. Number three was Wendy's. But guess what number four was? Jack. I didn't tell you that. Jack in the Box was number four. This might be up there for number five. I can't believe it. It's called Arctic Circle. And someone tell me if you've heard of it. Arctic Circle. Now I like it. For more videos. It's good. What I like about it is the cheese is melted. It's got kind of some kind of mayo-y thing. The burger's good. The bun is not too yeasty. I don't like really yeasty buns. That's what she said. This guy. And it's not bad. Arctic Circle. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Until next time, peace. All right.
Live life 365.
Cheese curds. Oh my, do you want to get some cheese curds? No, she says no. She says her calling won't accept it. And I understand that. I have a calling. And we're gonna go over here. taco salad, peanut butter, M&M shakes. They do shakes here. In fact, before hamburgers, it's shakes, hamburgers, and more. So I guess they're known for shakes more than hamburgers. All right, let's check it out. We're gonna. Why we can't hear nothing because bag woman is over here. Hold on.
How do you do your burger? Here, this thing's fresh. I want you to eat it when it's fresh.
Put it down, and then my beautiful wife is gonna stop being a squirrel, and then we can do the video. Are you done being a squirrel? All right. Culver's is supposed to be good. I gotta tell you, baby, you were really quiet. You did a great job. Give me some more. How's your fish and chips?
Good.
And this is the end of
See, look.
the. Oh.
There's the fish and chips.
Mm. I want to take a look at that.
There, lemon.
And here's the fries, which I got to tell you. I'll ask my wife because she's a fry expert. These fries are good, aren't they? Mm-hmm. And she got fish and chips with halibut. How is that? Is it good? Mm-hmm. I need a bite of it. I'm doing a double. Hey, Mike used to sweet a double. Halibut. Deep fried, so not the healthiest, but still better than.
Show them the whole thing. Put that in front of me.
Oh, that's really good. Look at that. Okay, I'll do it like this. That could be. That could be the thing. Okay.
So make it like a video. Say.
I already did, baby.
Arctic
Take it.
Circle. Say I'm at Arctic Circle.
I already did it, honey. Take it.
Say I'm at Arctic Circle today.
My wife is trying to tell me how to do a Mike Eats the Streets. It's hilarious.
I watch Guy Fieri.
I'm no Guy Fieri. I'm better. Baba.